Hey guys, it's your girl WineFineKe, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to put on strip lashes. I got these lashes just from the hair store, and I'm about to go out and I need to put on my lashes. I already did my makeup, so it should be a quick little tutorial. So the first thing I do is really apply just a thin layer of eyelash, well, hair glue. I know that y'all probably are gonna be like, oh, you're not supposed to put hair glue on your eyes. Well, it sticks better for me than eyelash glue because I tried it and I like the hair glue better. It just works better for me. But if it works better for y'all to use regular eyelash glue, then so be it. Anyway, so I blow it a little bit. Just so that the glue dries a little bit. And I just gotta put it on top of my eye. Really? Sorry, y'all. Those noises sometimes help me put it on. I don't know if y'all have to make noises in order for stuff to go right, but I do sometimes. And let me do the other one. That one went on really easy. Sometimes it takes me like 2 or 3 times to put on the lashes in order for me to get them on, but I've been trying to stick to doing my makeup so that I can be quick. Because at one point it took me like 2 hours to do this right here. Like, my face is nothing, and it used to take me so freaking long. It used to take me like forever to put the lashes on. And I just do the same thing for the other side. Sometimes I put on mascara and then apply the lash. But I'm not gonna do that today because then I'll have to put on liner, and it's a little rainy out. So I'm trying to keep things copacetic and easier for me. Excuse my nails too, guys. Totally broke. So sorry about the noises. I know that I breathe a little hard. And sometimes I just feel like I'm not supposed to breathe when I'm putting them on. Because, like, it just helps you put them on better. Okay, I think that's it. I don't know. I mean, eyes are sisters, not twins, so this is what it's gonna be. And that's it with my tutorial. Again, it's WineFineKe, keeping you ladies fine, one tutorial at a time.